Siyakubingelela futhi siyakwemukela, siyacela usubscribe-ke uma ngukuthi akakwenzi lokho. Injabulo-ke iqhuma phezulu laphana-ke kumayokathi kanye nakubalandeli bakhe, njengoba kuvela insizwa-ke ekuthiwa uBrenda ezinzile kwalase-China icula-ke ingoma yakhe ngesiLungu. Wonke-ke umuntu ujabule-ke sithi up Ncelam up.
Up there, mighty now. You are so well dressed, you are matching for me. Up there, my traditional Zulu person. You are so well dressed for me, you are magic. Up there, my traditional Zulu person. You are so well dressed for me, even though you're a cashier. Up there, my traditional Zulu person.